Have a 2016 police model Electroglide Twin Cam 103 with a bad battery. It's got power, but won't start. Took the battery down, had it checked. They confirmed it was bad. It had voltage, but anyways, bad battery. I bought a Tusk battery jump starter. Nice, compact, almost identical in the size of my phone. And we're gonna jump start this thing with it. Let me get it plugged in. So it plugs in right at the top. Turn the unit on. Got a full charge showing 4 bars. And let's see if it'll jump it. Nope, not at first. The cable clamps, it's kind of tight, kind of hard to get a good bite. The battery box is really tight on these things. And see how long it takes to start this thing, if it will start it. Nope, it's almost like it's not doing anything. I think I got a good bite. Seems warming up a little bit. Jump box is getting a little bit warmer. Well, I just don't know if it's got enough juice in there to start it. The jumper is getting a little warm. Cables are slightly warm. My voltmeter's showing about 11.5 volts. I did start the shovel head with it the other day. I sat around and let that battery go bad, and it cranked it several times. Fired up really nicely. This one, it's struggling. Battery, the jump box is getting really warm. Ooh, in fact, it's getting fat too. Might have a lithium battery fire here in a second. Let's give it a try. Whoa, you can see it swell up. Well, as nice as this thing is, look how it's swell up. I just don't think I don't think it's up to the job. Starting a big twin. It's a stock 103, only intake, exhaust, and otherwise the thing looks destroyed to me. I guess it'll be going back.